Alright everybody, so this morning, as you can see, I have some things on the table here. I have a bag of ackee, green banana, sweet potato, yam, don't know Jamaican hot pepper in house already, you know. Who can stand the heat come out of the kitchen, you know. Thyme, have a little piece of onion as well, black pepper, meat seasoning, and you don't know plantain, you know. Fry some of that on the side, see me. So Sunday, I cook ackee and saltfish, dumpling and banana, you know. Yeah man. So just stay tuned and watch the video. Yeah, see we blend up the ackee and everything together, you know. Make it look nice and proper. Yeah man. Everything ready, yeah, so the saltfish ready to boil up that and get things going, you know. Yeah man, so the pot soon bubble up, you know. Go now preview when we done sort out everything and so. Yeah man. Yeah everybody, so you done see ackee boil already. Turn that off now, we are strain off the water for it. Don't know saltfish then I water give it a second boil, you know, because you don't know boil it 2 times, because the first boil I'm going to take off a little salt. We don't want it too salt, so we boil it 2 times, you know. Yeah man, so don't know ackee boil, ackee ready. We fry up with the saltfish and everything when ready, you know. So you don't see them on the fire, you know. We pan the saltfish boil up a second time and boil out. So we deal with that. And after that we make some dumpling, peel with banana and thing and put them in, you know. Yeah man. Then next we are deal with. Yeah everybody, so we put in the potato in the pot, you know, we go and boil, because you know, I put in the banana and anything that we didn't get too soft and crush out in the pot with it, you know. So we make the potato go and boil for like 10 minutes or 15 minutes before we put in the other stuff them, you know. Yeah man, so just a little update. Potato in a pot, saltfish there same way going easy, because we're not in a hurry for again time. We just deal with this for now, you know, the food part. So cut up the potato, put in, make it boil liquor before we put in the banana, the dumpling them, you know, because them they cook easier. I don't want them crush out. I don't want the banana them crush out or my white yam, you know. You don't know white yam you put in there. Put in that right now too. Yeah man, make it go and boil with the potato them too. Yeah man, I don't know the sweet potato them they are bubbly now. Soon cut up my white yam and put in there now, and then the banana thing, you know. Now I put in the banana with them there yet, because I know banana will crush out, so I make them go and boil a little. Peel the white yam and I put in the same time. Saltfish boil up, then I take off that, put it in some water. And after that we pick it up, fry him down with the ackee, you know? Well season up and thing. Yeah man. Alright everybody, so food in a pot, banana, yam, and sweet potato bubble up in a pot, you know. Flour, you know, we make with dumpling and now and put in a pot, you know. Yeah man. Then after that we deal with the ackee. Alright everybody, so yam and banana done cook. Potato in the bottom same way. Yam cover it so you not really see it, but dumpling them had finished bubble up, and then we heat that for food, you know. Put on my ackee next, cut up my season and everything. Get my ackee together and get it going, you know. Yeah man. So don't know soon time we show a final result and we eat some food, you know. Yeah man, so you don't know, we cut up the seasoning so ready to fry up with saltfish and with ackee now. Get the frying pan on the stove and get that going, and we also have a plan cut up ready to fry it down as well, you know. So we put that on, take care of business and gain an update after this. Yeah everybody, so we have a season with little pepper, thyme and onion and fry up, you know. So that we throw in with saltfish with the right as well with ackee, you know. Get him fry up and going. This we call real food, yard food this. Yeah everybody, so we have a plan, them are frying now, that's the last step. Ackee they are cooked down right now. Yeah man. Ackee almost done. Plant not fry up, you know. So finished with the work, man. The dumpling and banana, yeah, so dumpling did it. Banana, yam and sweet potato did it so. So we soon share them up and make it look nice and presentable, you know. Alright everybody, so food done cook, everything ready. Fried plantain, yam, banana and sweet potato, dumpling, ackee and saltfish will cook up, you know. So you know this is my wife plate. My plate way bigger than this, so I'm not gonna share it on the camera. So everybody, thanks for watching the video. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Alright. I didn't look sleepy because I don't get no good sleep last night, alright? So just watch your food and watch my face. Alright.